And Josh Manson doesn't have a lot either. I mean, he's getting close to 200 games, Manson, but Hawks guilty of a penalty here as Perry went down. Now Rozsival getting an attempted punch from Ritchie. Now Rozsival tries to answer it. He got one in on Ritchie, maybe two it looked like. But Corey Perry, who along with Ryan Kessler have been very active with their sticks, and we've talked about that several times tonight.
There's the cross-check. Official's arm goes up. And then everything's going to start and happen right to the right of Corey Crawford. Ritchie goes over.
Well, that first right got in from Nick Ritchie. And Rozsival in some trouble right after that. He has now made his way to the Hawks dressing room under his own power. So seemingly dazed by that initial shot from Ritchie.